In this video, we are going to explain how to navigate in Twona. There are two main screens, Dashboard and Library. On the Dashboard page, you can see the overview of the projects and the workflow stages, either in list or in panel view. In the Library is where you see and can search for artwork versions. So the Dashboard is all about the project information and the Library is all about the artwork versions. Within this view, you can also always navigate to the system settings via your ID on the top right of the screen. Everything related to adding of new users, creating rules and adapting workflows can be found here. And lastly, there's always the blue Help Me button to be found at the top left of screens. By clicking on this, you can raise a support ticket with your issue and one of the support heroes will respond. Cheers and have a good day.